Serving customers with disabilities. 13.7% of the people in this country have a physical or mental disability that interferes with their daily lives. Businesses may be missing out by not catering to that demographic. Your first step: buy a copy of the How to Serve Customers with Disabilities training manual. Copy free PDF files of the manual for each of your employees. They study the manual and do the quiz at the end of each of the 3 chapters. To learn more about how to train your staff to serve customers with disabilities or where to buy this book, go to bit.ly/buy training manual.